Today we are going to do some Qigong exercises. These are martial exercises from the Shaolin temple, supposedly, although they probably were around before then. There's a set of 12 and we do each exercise 7 times. The reason we do it 7 times is to do with the concept of Chinese medicine of a thing called Bu and She. So these exercises are designed to make the body stronger for fighting. So we want to Bu. Bu means to tonify or increase. And then we have She. She means to reduce. So often when people are doing exercises like this, they'll tell you to breathe out. That is She. That is actually reducing, not increasing. When we do these exercises, we use 5 elements breathing. You breathe through the mouth, but you bypass the lungs and chest and drop the breath to the lower abdomen. You're not really breathing into your stomach and intestines. There's a central movement called 5 elements. That movement makes your lungs breathe and makes all your organs contract and function. So this breath is actually a movement in the center, or your center core, the center of your body or center core. So when we breathe, we relax the chest and drop the breath. First of all, the feet must be parallel. The knees slightly bent so that you are closed here. The upper body must connect with the feet. So it has to go through the hips, the knees, and down to the feet. If you stand like this, you lose this connection. So feet parallel or toes slightly in. So this is tight and knees in. Also relax the chest. When we sink the chest and bend the knees slightly semi-crouch, the back will straighten. We don't want this kind of thing. Yeah. Okay, next exercise. The thumbs are about half an inch or centimeter or 2 apart. And we're going to move from the pubic bone to just below the navel. So what we're going to do is this. I breathe in, keep my elbows still and bring the forearms up slightly. So the hands are just doing this, a few inches, 3 or 4. Again, breathe in, concentrate. Concentrate the body. When I say concentrate, I'm talking about concentration of the musculature in the body, not concentrated in like this, relaxing but concentrating.